So you chose fiber cement siding over vinyl siding. Now I'm gonna show you how to save a little bit more money on your installation. First way you're gonna save money is by windows and doors. Don't do anything with them. If they're in great condition and they work well, leave them. You don't have to touch them. That's fine. A lot of people do tend to change them when they are choosing siding, and that's completely fine. But for this case, when it comes to saving money, we're not doing any windows and no doors. Let's take a look at the garage door, for instance. Is this my favorite? Not really. Could it be a little bit better? Yes. Does it match? 100%. And the best part about it is they could even repaint it so it matches the siding even better. Or just to make it shine a little bit brighter, they could always power wash it. So here's a good saving right here in itself. On average, about $5,000. And let's go on to the next savings. The next savings you're gonna get is your trim packages. Trim is what goes around your windows, doors, and corners. Four materials that we use for trim is aluminum, vinyl, fiber cement like you see here, and PVC. PVC is usually the nicest, being that you have the least amount of maintenance, it's shiny, and it lasts the longest. Aluminum is going to be the most affordable, and it does look nice, but it's kind of cheap at the same time. And you can get dents from trees, hail, any falling debris, so fiber cement is usually where it's at. So if you are going to go with fiber cement siding, you're not going to want aluminum trim around your windows and doors. It looks tacky. In this case, we went with fiber cement, which is a way that the homeowner was able to save a little bit more money. Let's go on to the next savings. Remember I said, don't touch your doors? Left it just the way it is because it's perfectly functional and they did not need a new door. Now, just like the garage door, they could always get it power washed or even repaint it to match the siding a little bit better. Now, let's talk some numbers. So, for the trim package that we have here, it costed about $2,000, and that is for just the material. No labor or installation is provided in that because labor and installation is about the same for all the trim packages. If we were to have gone with AZAC on this home, it would have been around $7,000, $5,000 more expensive than the Hardie option. So this is how you save a little bit more money when doing your Hardie project.